Hello! A lot of people have been asking me about the kit I use at home for live streaming, so I thought I'd give you a really quick tour of the setup that I have. A few weeks ago when I got started, I looked something like this. This is my laptop camera and my laptop microphone, neither of which is particularly good. If I was going to be streaming every single day, I wanted to get an upgrade. And so this is what I look like now. To get a better idea of how I achieve this, we need to look behind the camera. The first thing you'll notice is that I'm using a DSLR camera as my input now. So I'm not using my laptop camera anymore. This is a Canon M50 and it plugs into my laptop via USB. Most DSLR cameras are going to be able to be used as a webcam, but to work out if you can, Google your make and model if you have one, along with as a webcam, and see if a YouTuber explainer video pops up, because there's a lot of great information out there. Second bit of kit that I have is my microphone. This is a Blue Yeti USB microphone and you plug it in and it sounds great. Laptop microphones are pretty rubbish. If you want to upgrade your sound quality, the easiest thing you can do is plug in the headphones that you might have for your phone. If they have a built-in microphone, that's going to be nice and close to your mouth and pick up a better quality sound than the further away laptop. But if you can invest in a USB microphone, then it's really going to upgrade the quality that you're producing. Third part I want to mention is the lamp. Now, I use that, despite the fact it's broad daylight right now, just to give a consistency to my videos. I close the blinds, turn on the lamp, and then I know whether I'm recording night or day, I'm going to look pretty similar. Part 4 is the software that I use. If we delve inside the computer, you'll see that I'm using a piece of software called Ecamm Live. This allows me to pull in multiple image feeds and arrange them however I want them, or I can add overlays. So this is giving me more control before my feed gets to zoom. I can bring in multiple cameras, multiple audio feeds, and I can control them before I go to stream. Ecamm Live is a great product for MacBooks, or if you are on a PC, then you can use OBS, and the great bit about OBS is it's free. These are pieces of software that are going to give you much more control over what you are broadcasting. And the last piece of kit I wanted to show you is this. This is a Stream Deck, and this allows me to switch between different scenes, different overlays, and alter the image on the screen just at the push of a button. So if I want to change cameras, I push a button and I switch over. If I want to change back, there we go. Now, I am no expert at technical setup. I've put all this together in just a few weeks, but these are the main things that I'm using to make my broadcast look a little bit different. Any questions? Let me know.